Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Centafex, your reliable partner in trading.
On Tuesday, Intel stock fell 6.2% to $47.13, as weaker-than-expected demand and cautious management guidance spooked investors, erasing recent gains. The UK stock market index fell 0.3% on Tuesday, as disappointing earnings from heavyweight banks and energy companies weighed on the index. U.S. gasoline futures rose toward $1.95 per gallon, as higher crude feedstock costs and renewed geopolitical risk in the Middle East restored part of the risk premium. The British pound traded above $1.36, but remained below the late January peak, as investors assessed fresh political developments in the UK. Bitcoin traded at around $67,500 this Wednesday, decreasing by 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Bitcoin lost over 25%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the unemployment rate for January, following 4.4% in December. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the non-farm payrolls of January, following 50,000 jobs in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 10:30 a.m., the annual inflation rate in India is expected to increase, after reaching 1.3% in December. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the existing home sales of January, following 5.1% in December.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centafex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.